Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely cowl. I said it's jasmine stitch. I like it very much. I use this yarn, but I don't have enough yarn. It's 102 meters, 120 meters yarn. I think I need one more ball, but I want to show you like that. And now I will use this yarn. It's size 4 and that's size 5 yarn, I think. You can use any kind of yarn you want. And I use 5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into that first chain, yarn over, insert your hook here, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through from these 2 loops, and leave it like that. We will make this one more time. And then yarn over and pull it through from these 3 loops. Chain 3. Insert your hook from this first chain. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through these 2. Yarn over and make it one more time. You have 3 loops. Yarn over and complete them together. I will show you one more time. Just chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook from this first chain, make half of a double crochet, make it one more time, yarn over and complete them together. We will just keep making this. You can make this 24 or 25 inch long. Just keep doing like that. I'll make a few inches long and now I will join them. Just be sure about not a twist. And insert your hook from this first chain. Make a slip stitch. Chain 3. Insert your hook into same stitch. Just make a half of a double crochet and make one more time and complete them. Chain 3 and make it one more time. And we will not complete this one. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same place we made our first slip stitch. Just make 1, 2 and 3 half of a double crochet. Yarn over again and insert your hook into that next space here, make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stitch. Just take a yarn and complete all of them together like that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over and insert your hook, that space, make 2 half of a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into that same space. We made the last one here, then we join them together, then we made this one. Okay? Just insert your hook here, make 1, 2, 3, yarn over and into that next one, make 1, 2, 3. We have 9 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from this 9 loops. Chain 3 and make it one more time. 1 and 2. With this it's 3. And here make 3. Here 3. Complete them together. Just keep doing like that. I came to the end, chain 3, make 2, and here we will make 3 more, sorry. We have 6 loops. We don't make here now, just complete the 6 loops together and chain 1 and make a slip stitch here. Chain 3, insert your hook here, just make 2 and close them together. 1, 2, 3, insert your hook here, make 2, don't close them. You don't have to make this chain 1 here. Actually, I think I didn't make. I just close here and make a slip stitch here. I forgot I make a chain 1 here, but I didn't like it. So I want to say it. I'll just make 3 like that. Yarn over, insert your hook into same place. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next space and make 3. Let's close them together. Chain 3 and make 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, and into that next space I will make 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and join them together. As you see, there's a flower here. We'll just keep doing like that, and when I came here, I will show you how to join this part again. I came to the end again, chain 3, make 1 and 2, insert my hook into that last one and make 3 double, half of a double. I have 6 loops, just complete them together and insert my hook here into that space. Just make a slip stitch, and I will start with the same way I did here or here, and just keep doing like that. You can make it 8 inches long. If you want, you can make it bigger, of course. It's an easy and soft cowl. You can make a headband if you want with this pattern, and I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. You can write the comments below, and Siri's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can write me from here too. And thanks for watching me today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.